Well, good morning. It's just really been a tough day for a lot of families here in Danbury. The water is now receding, but a lot of it still remains here in the front yards. Brazoria County has a crew here assessing the damage as families just try to clean up.
Yeah, it was like a river was running through, like water flowing from the back. It was pouring in through the garage, and then the water moving from the rooms where it had accumulated, and it was just all kind of coming together.
It was a river inside several homes on 2nd Street in Danbury, Brazoria County.
And I got up to turn the AC down because it was hot, and I stepped out of bed and there was water on the floor, and I was like, oh my God.
Lacey Williams's family saved as much as they could.
It was all the way up past the baseboards, and you can tell where the baseboards are all lifting. They'll have to all be replaced. I'm sure we're going to have to cut into the sheetrock and whatnot.
Her neighbors now face the same struggles.
So we got about 3 inches of the couches, and that's everything else kind of got wet too.
Danbury ISD canceled classes for the day. Some students even had a little fun. But for these families, it's the start of a long, tough recovery.
We'll get it hopefully dried up and get everything starting to get it put back together.
And you can see people are still out of their homes right now at this hour. And just a few minutes ago, it started raining again. People here are praying that the water does not rise and return into their homes. Reporting live in Danbury, Kathy Hernandez, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Gosh,